The Enyobeni Tavern inquest resumes today in the East London Regional Court sitting in Mdantsane. Video footage of the night when 21 patrons died in June 2022 was played during the proceedings. Now, Siyakhangela Ndevu, who is the manager of the establishment, could be seen in the bar area selling alcohol to patrons on numerous occasions. But for more on this, we speak now to SABC News reporter Abongile Jantjies. Abongile, good morning. Again, one of those cases at the time that garnered great attention from the general public. But how far are we now in this inquest?
Well, a very good morning to you too, Sakina. Well, we are continuing with the viewing of that video where you are saying that Siyakhangela is seen handling alcohol and selling alcohol to the patrons who were there. Part of the videos that we saw last week is that overcrowding and people struggling to breathe. Some were coughing for quite a long period of time, and a lot of bustling, and people were even on the tables there, and there were fights that we saw on one of those videos. It shall continue today. The matter was postponed, was adjourned due to the unavailability of the evidence leader, Advocate Luvuyo Vena. After that, we are expecting him, Siyakhangela Ndevu, to take to the stand. That could probably happen tomorrow. No, I mean next week, because the inquest is continuing next week, and we are expecting him to take to the stand next week. And his wife, who is the owner, who is the license holder of the tavern, Vyokazi, did take to the stand in the week before this one that we're in now, and she gave quite a detailed she gave quite details of how the business was ran, and there were times that she had to take a step back and allow Siyakhangela to run the business, but even though it's registered in her name. And one of the chilling things she gave is that she doesn't know who should be held liable for the deaths of the young people who died at Enyobeni, and that didn't sit well with the parents who lost their children. They're saying that at least she must give a proper answer, and they were not happy with her to the stand. We shall bring you more as this day unfolds.
Well, thank you so much. Abongile Jantjies there for us in Mdantsane, and this is where that inquest into the Enyobeni Tavern disaster is continuing.